Let's take a look at an example in the editor. In this program, we're going to use the letters in a phrase to create a new word. To start, we have a variable called phrase. We want to use the letters in the phrase to create a new variable called word. Let's make the word test with a capital T. So I'm going to use the capital T first, which is the first letter in the phrase. So we'll start with phrase at 0. The next letter in the word is the lowercase e, and I see one at the end of the phrase. So let's use a negative index value to get access to that letter. We'll use concatenation to add phrase at -2, because phrase at -1 is the period. So let's see if that works. Nothing's happening because I didn't print my word yet. So let's print that value. Awesome. So I see the T and I see the E. Next, we need the letter S. There's one at the end of the first word, this. So we'll add phrase at index 3. And then we need the last letter T. And since we want it to be lowercase, let's use the T in the word sentence. So we'll add plus phrase at -6. Let's see if that works. Perfect. Now it's your turn to use index values with strings to solve some Tracy exercises.